Therefore, me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so me sure say video na eda mu screen so no ebi mu ehu eye ade ana trend e wo social media pa just not long ago na unhu yen so a this is your first time you are watching this na we are metre mu ase na mu hu de ekoso na aso na ebeto aso no subscribe na click the notification bell on so oye ne say latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka into no video no na trese eda screen so no general inketia general mosquito asiedu nketia na trese wone soldiers for a classic wo banda in the Bono region na sa banda ho no minim ade potin a ewo ho a ase de bia na NDC for any military ana NDC for ne MPP classic this same banda enam so enu hunti abrante bia yesusu se wo ye NDC ni yeko won se kan eku no enda me ne okasei sa abrante no police for ye yatena ene se wo muntumi enya asem ne ho hwe NDC for your press conference the subo abo the aspiring I think say I don't know whether he is the sitting MP but the MPP aspirants no wo hono the subo abo no say wo no say the improve for and ekwo war second no but up to now police for into me nya asem ne ho hwe na nsen so me sanso the video bi brewa John Dramani Mahama obe post video up a soldier for preventing people from registering ngrophobia yesusu say wo mo ye aigbefo and also banda hona and this is the same banda. Now let me explain the thing. What when who say asiedu nketia ne ngrophobia na enam na banda hono you say there is an error or a non-akan settlement. Last time me bo video bi trail papa bia wo banda ho traditional council or kan wo traditional council ho no onakasa no be kan say aigbefo na ete banda no as far back as 1990 na wo mo betena ho atese wo mo aye ejuma asisi a eho aba bedane ekuro amomo a wo hwe banda traditional council kana they have a representative and a representation that banda traditional council so not to say they've been accepted there. Now this is not the first time I wo mo ato aba wo ho since 1990 no they be banda ho na no mo to aba ewo but yakoye said this time around nkrofo bi empese sa aigbefo no ebeto aba ewo that particular place nkrofo a wo mo atena ho over 20 years a wo mo ato aba over 20 years ewo ho no sisi a wo bi asore say one penny aigbefo no ento aba wo nti it seems like the areas over there are being intimidated. Intino, you see, aigbefo no moti wono wo mote insuo ne nchen. I don't know whether there is a dam there. You can say insuo nchen wo mote. But they don't have a registration center. It is about to do wo mo eba krom na wo mo aba beto aba. Into this time around, wo mo asua wo mo ho say wo mo ba krom aba register. And yes said the soldiers are preventing them from registering. So far, we have a lot of videos. The video now, Endra Chimede Tremo, Mahama, war complaining. Said the air course ewo bandani. And that video you could see say the soldiers right in the queue. One more normal for me queue. One normal for me queue. One more register no. Now soldiers for air queue mo every queue nim. Soldiers for Ekatrom say one more and register. And when so one more nam kwan so one more free one more settlement so because ECN create registration center and more wo. Normally nanka there was say ECN ye and say make me area one more yebi and say wo share me area say ya dosun it the ECI and say one more create different registration centers at different places to help us because me area nanka polling station ewo me area ye ba akope na sa polling station ewo me area na ye ba akono ahomache 12 obekọ ho na queue kra ewo ho no na enye easy because ye doso ewo me area ho it's easy for create different polling stations at different places to help say ebi mo nko ha it's normally nanka saa nanka was easy eye ema saa banda for yi but easy anya momo and they also have to vote. And because they have to vote, no, what do they have to do? They have to go to a registration center near to them to register. Otherwise, you can see a moment voting. For 20 years. And I said this is the first time they are registering there. They've been voting in that particular polling station. It's one more polling station. One more polling station. I register. And I soldier for a soldier for the omoka. Aba besi kwan mu intimidate omo say ye mo enko register na eho e na se dun ketia so be pie mu wo ho a woni asojafo no trese entokwa gidi na se dun ketia na asem nyina ne se wo hwa Ghana abato mu a asojeni you have no right to prevent someone from registering. What happens and they say nipa kono akwa register e wo registration center ho na ye feel say nipa kono any kwan say we register e wo ho a you challenge the person into no ECDP bia by a friend the challenge form, and that is the law. Media, this is the first time in this country Matse say as soldiers for preventing people from registering and who ti enemy Kwame A+ e ba be bisa asem e wo social media say won ti bi da say soldier ni dictate say wo me ma won register, and this is clearly unfair. It is clearly unfair. I don't know whether you belong to NPP, you belong to NDC, you have your views. You might have your biased views, but as someone at that one, it is just like Abia will be our NPP stronghold to say Bantama. Nani pakono, wama bomo no say wamo kwa register. Na asoja for abaku nim say hey wo wonti area has ye man register unti area has ye man register na nka why imagine di anka ebesi e wo man we mu. It is the same thing, but just because it doesn't affect your political party ninti no obehu ni say oh we enye boni bia, but it is exactly the same thing. And why? Because this is happening to Elwes. It will be anka oh before the edi yomu into obi anka. Imagine say nanka ade we wo ka tell me say asoje for betumi akọ asanteme mu akọ ye bibi say wo ma akọ bantama ana NPP for be stronghold na nkrofo register na asoje for abetwetwe omo afikiu nim say wo ye man register osoje ni no enye wo adwuma no. So this is clearly intimidation. Intene na ma say dun ketia ba ho a wo de ebufuo any asojafo no kasa, but I think that at the end of the day in Crawford, I don't know whether they were made to go and register or not. But we are in the final phase. By 6th of this month, which is around Thursday, I think Thursday there, and now Friday, and Thursday there, no registration no ebe ended. So are you not disenfranchising these people just because of their tribe? Tell me. And I'm in America. One more, sa banda corona yekano. Even their traditional council have come out to say, are they soldier for ni ye wo krum hono enye? I am not the one saying it. Yesterday, and I played the video and you guys listened to it. Me bo video ni Ndrechi na muni amutie ye. Banda hona assembly si no. Traditional council ahemfo a ewo ho. Traditional council penyi ba ho. E ba bonten, ono kra ba bonten se woni asojafo ne beko. Se aden na asojafo ne yesa. Na igbefo na wo mo betina ho no. Wo mo betina ho since 1990. Wo mo ne igbefo na aware awomba. Igbefo no eho e na ye omufie. Enye the first time wo mo to aba wo ho ni. Wo mo to aba wo ho san. Aden tia na this year nko a yesi empene mo mo to aba. Are you not disenfranchising them? But no one will talk. No one will speak. Because I've told you, it is happening to Elwes. Obibeka say, oh, and your comments are being tribalistic. This is not a tribalistic comment. Because it is happening to Elwes in Obian Kasa. Adie where AC. Imagine, say a Volta region. And Ankaya NDC time. and I say ebia asantifo bi wo Volta region a wo mo vote wo ho saa na NDC time na nke yesi ye mo vote wo ho na nka asem office be yeketo a wo Ghana ha sei so jendi enye wo adwuma no the electoral rules states it clear electoral commission can clear say eba abato mu nsensem a so jendi enye wo adwuma no so who is using these soldiers to intimidate these non-accounts from registering at a registration center they've always been voting at? You see where the whole thing is? Oh, maybe assembly ni na ewo. Anyway, one time I dream of comment box ni mo. Say Ghana net na sa. Ghana net na sa. Intino, one time I dream me da say.